Hi, and welcome to this short video on how to draw an AutoCAD with only 4 commands. Also, feel free to like and subscribe to our channel as we will be releasing more videos throughout the next few weeks. We have also put a step-by-step guide in the description. So the 4 commands we are going to learn include the AutoCAD short commands are L for line, O for offset, F for fillet and TR for trim. So the first one that we're going to do is L for line. So we do L, then enter, and then we type the length that we want to draw in, and we just work our way around making a rectangle. Also, we are in the ortho mode, so that means that we draw in straight lines. There's also an option for polar tracking down here, and you can change different angles. The next one that we're going to do is O for offset. This is to create the thickness of the walls, in this case 300mm, and we just offset, work our way around. And the next one that we're going to do is F for fillet. So this is the command that we use to join up the 2 lines. So we just do F, enter, and then work our way around. And the last one is trim, which is TR. And this is for if you want to create an opening such as a window or a door. And that's how we draw with only 4 commands in AutoCAD. We hope you've enjoyed this video, and it would be great if you could like and subscribe to our channel. Also feel free to comment on other videos you would like us to do. Thanks for watching.